Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about how to recover permanently deleted messages on your iPhone without a backup, applicable to the iOS versions mentioned above. Permanently deleted messages refer to messages you deleted from your inbox and then from the recently deleted folder. Alternatively, the recently deleted folder may automatically permanently delete messages after 30 days. So, are permanently deleted messages truly gone forever? Can you recover permanently deleted messages on your iPhone without a backup? Don't worry, you'll find the answer in this video. You certainly don't want to lose important texts, pictures, videos, and documents from your Messages conversations, right? Apple introduced the recently deleted folder in the Messages app, making it easier than ever to recover iPhone messages without a backup. If you accidentally deleted a message, you can easily recover messages from up to 30 days ago, even if you didn't back it up to iCloud or iTunes. Simply open the Messages app, tap Filter or Edit in the top left corner, then tap Recently Deleted to access the deleted message you want to recover, and then select that message. To recover messages, tap Recover in the bottom right corner, and then tap Recover Messages when prompted to restore them to your inbox. However, messages may be permanently deleted. If you tapped Delete instead of Recover, when preparing to recover text messages on the recently deleted page, you will not be able to find or recover permanently deleted messages directly from the Messages app. Don't worry, permanently deleted messages are not gone forever. They are still stored in your iPhone's memory, and you can recover them using a reliable data recovery program without iCloud or iTunes backup. According to our tests, Gbyte iPhone data recovery software stands out among many services. We have included a download link in the description below, and you can also visit Gbyte website to learn more about the software. This software is available for Windows PCs and Macs, as well as various versions of iPhone, and can recover permanently deleted text messages on your iPhone without backup, along with the software you see here. Whether your text messages were permanently deleted from the recently deleted folder after 30 days, or all conversations on your iPhone disappeared due to an iOS update or other reasons, this software can help you recover permanently deleted text messages, even if you didn't back them up beforehand. Okay, everyone, please download and correctly install this iPhone data recovery tool on your computer. Then open it. On the left side of the screen, select Recover from iOS device. Then select the data you need to recover and click the Start Free Scan button. Then log into your iCloud account. This step is secure and read-only, and your account security and existing data are not at risk. Search for text messages permanently deleted from the Messages app, and all found data will be displayed in the results window. In the left sidebar, click the Messages category. You should see all remaining messages on your iPhone, including deleted ones. Usually, if your deleted messages haven't been overwritten by new data, they are easy to find. This is why we are always told to take action as soon as possible once deleted data is discovered, especially without a backup. Okay, to recover permanently deleted messages without an iPhone backup, select the items you want to recover one by one and then click the Recover button. Next, specify a folder on your computer to save these conversations, and then click the Restore button to begin the recovery process. All text, photos, videos, documents, and other attachments in the messages can be recovered. That's how to recover permanently deleted iPhone messages without a backup. Hopefully, your information has been recovered. If you liked this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel Gbyte for more similar iOS usage tips. Feel free to leave a question in the comments section below, and we'll reply as soon as possible. See you in the next video.